So this is the homepage of getmeroof.com, where you can sign up and become part of an exclusive community of home buyers that are working at some of the reputed or known companies in India. And once you sign up, you get access to check out reviews of projects posted by other home buyers on the community. Um, so I click on join community button, and I can choose from a list of companies shown here, or I can do a search of my own of the company where I work. And if it happens that we have not heard about the company where you work, you can suggest the company to us. We verify and add the company in a database. So for this demo, assume that I work at SAP. So I click on SAP here, and I'm supposed to enter my work email. And the objective of asking for work email is to only, of course, verify your corporate identity. We do not send any spam messages on your work email. And once you sign up, you also get access to you also get one free credit on the platform. In a short while, we'll see how we can use this credit. So I click on continue. I enter my phone number, and done. So our sign up is successful. We've got one free credit. And for now, we show this nudging strip to complete your profile verification across the application to reduce the friction for users. In future, we will make this flow also mandatory in the initial sign up process. So I can trigger an email at my work email, or in also some cases where emails bounce at your work email because of firewall issues, you can upload your company ID card and we do a manual verification of your profile. So I go back, and because I've signed up, I can continue and I can get started. So we take you to the reviews page of the Bangalore city, the default city in our platform as of now. I can shortlist the reviews on the basis of some of the important areas. So say I check out this project, so I can see the review posted by a user and the company where they work. I click on the project. I'm taken to the reviews page of that project. I can see the aggregate reviews this project has got and the average ratings the project also has, and these are the reviews which are shown up here. So I have to click on check review button and redeem the credit that I got while sign up. So these credits are mostly like a social currency that you get from the platform. So I've redeemed the credit and my reviews are unlocked, and I can check the review in detail with the details of the user who has posted it and the various categories of the review. So we have segregated the review on multiple categories like price, location, driven reviews. We also have videos that are as of now specifically uploaded by us to help the community know more about the projects in detail. These are the videos that we have shot at the site. Our team has gone there and they have shot to make better sense about the infrastructure that project has. And in future, these videos and photos of the projects will be uploaded by users as well. For now, we only let users add a text-based review. So I can rate the project on various parameters here. So if I want to, let's say, check out reviews of any other project, so I go to Celebrity Serenity and I try to access reviews. You can see that we have run out of the credits. We only give you one credit on sign up. So I can click on earn free credits, and I can rate this project to get one more credit for checking out the reviews. So I can submit a review here. So let's say I click on submit button. So we nudge the users to write some rich content as well. So say I write project is very good but highly overpriced, waiting for some discounts, right? I click on submit review, and as soon as we submit a review, we get one more credit, and we can check out the review instantly of this project. But we do not we do a manual verification of the review at our end, and then only we make the submitted review go live. So I hope you liked this demo video, and we look forward to any feedback